let me share you my screen that will show you what exactly how the big interview tools look like. Once you get login with this link, you will have this kind of screen on your desktop. So this is like, if you see, like this is very good application, and I always recommend student to use this application to get prepared before going to any job or anything. Okay, so it's really help to you guys, like to get prepared for any kind of interviews are you going. There are like several kinds of interview practice here, where you can have like IT field, finance field, any like project field. So they have like different kinds of questions, they have different kinds of videos where you can watch the videos and see how the interviewer in these applications try to help you guys. Okay, so as you see, like there is like there is one video. If you go on my dashboard, there is a video, tell me about yourself. If you play this video, you will going to know what answer you need to give for, like for tell me about yourself. The ones I mentioned earlier, how about your behavioral questions will be there. So if you play all these videos, that will going to really help you, like to crack the interview, any interview. And also you can see here like the practice, what are the top 10 questions that you are most likely to get in the interview. So let me click on that, and like you can see like this kind of questions comes, and you can also record your video, and you can record your video, and you can repeat it, check it back, look at like what's going on. Okay, so this is really a very helpful tools which is really going to help you to get hired. Okay, and also let me show you, there is like learn option where you have like fast track, and where you have like mastery track. The fast track is like always it fast, like before an hour before, and like no before a day you want to practice something to go to the interview. This is like have 16 videos that help you to get like to get a knowledgeable questions and answers. Okay, and this is like 50 videos, like if you have time, keep on going and see 50 videos how you can do. Okay, so my and the last, like if you keep on playing with this, like you will get so many things. Okay, has like the interview playbooks, you have job search curriculum, how you are going to search your job in the market. You have resume curriculum, like how you are going to build your resume. Okay, you have like written how to write the resumes words and other things. There is like negotiation curriculum. There are so many things, like you can practice. Okay, so if you go on this practice session, you can see my screen. There is like practice interview, answer builder, interview roulette, and question library. So let me click on the practice interview, where you can see the kind of like general, industries, competence, admissions, government, and veterans. This is all kind of like mock interviews question. You can find it here. So let me click on the general, and you can see there are different kinds of log, like you can see like top 10 question. There is like entry levels, like questions where you can practice. Then you have like mid level, where you can practice a little bit tough questions. Then you have like senior level, you have managerial role. This is like believe me, if you start using this application, and you will have you can crack any interview. That's my suggestion to you guys, like, so if you go on the industry also, you will find a different kinds of uh, interview sessions, like accounting. If you want to practice, and you got an offer in the accounting field, you can click on this. You have all the questions and answers, you can practice. If you are going for like art and designing, you have several kinds of blog here. You can go and you can you can have your questions and answer. Human resource, the management, the operations. What are the questions the interviewer mostly going to ask if you're going for an operation, if you're going for a project manager, if you're going for the technology field, if you're going to the teaching profession. So let me click on the technology field, so like you can know, like, okay, in also technology you have lots of, you can see my screen. You have you got the interview call for the net developer. You got the call for the computer system analyst. So there is all the questions and answer, like questions and practice session, where you can go and prepare yourself in any field and in any, in any designation. Okay, so this is this is all the practice session where you can get all these things. And here is like, once you practice, you record your video, so it's always come here, so you can see by yourself how you perform the interview. Like always it comes like a small video, like the person is going to ask you some questions and you can record your answer. Okay, and once the answer is recorded, your video answer, you can check it here, like how you perform, what you did. Okay, so this is really nice application. You can have a hand on it. So let me take you to my resume. Like here you can build your resume. That's the very important part. Every students keep on asking me, hey Amit, how can I build my resume? What is the correct format? What is really need to be put it on the resume? So this is the perfect, perfect application where you can build your resume. Let me show you one thing, clicking on the build resume. Let me get started. Okay, so get started. If you click get started, you have experience or you have education, you can select any one of them. Let me click on my experience and start building your resume. So you can see here, like, they have the title, this, and they also mention like this will not appear on the resume, it's just to identify your resume later. Okay, this is your full name, professions, locations, phone number. If you keep on going next, you have everything step by step, and once you're done, it will going to give you a correct format, correct wordings and everything's, you have your perfect resume on your hand, so you don't need to worry about anything. And you can do like, once you're done building your resume, you can download and you can send to us. We will have a look on that. If there is any mistake, we can ask you to have a look, no, you can change the things. So we are here always like to help you. So this is all, all about the application. My suggestion is always like, if you wants to go for the interview, prepare yourself, use this tool, learn more. Okay, and get, get everything, get prepared, get practice. Okay, don't lose your confidence. We don't know at what time at you can get higher. So it's always like practice and practice, that's make you better. Okay, so I am almost done with this application. My thing is like, you can check this application, and if you have any questions, any things, like, you can email me, hey Amit, I cannot do anything on this practice, there is something I need to know. I will going to definitely help you. You can email me. I already mentioned my email ID on the chat room. Okay, so if you guys have any questions about this, you can ask me. And also after this big interview session, I will going to send you the email, the PowerPoint presentation, as well as the login ID, how to log into the big interview. Okay, so guys, do you have any questions, any concern? Oh, okay. So I think thank you everyone for joining. Yeah, for joining the session. I will ask the BAM. I will ask the Kazi to send you the login ID. Okay, and where you can reset your password and you can join this application.
Hello, Amit. I have
Yes.
one question.
Yeah.
It's
Go ahead.
not related for this workshop, but it's more related CPT. For example, deadline CPT is done, right? What if I
Uh-huh.
get offer for internship in the middle of February? What can I do? What I can say for them?
Okay, so what I get it from you is you mean like no you have a job offer in February. Okay,
Yeah,
that's yeah,
assume
okay.
if I get for internship, not a job, but for internship. So I
Yeah,
didn't apply for internship this semester because I didn't have a paper from company. What
okay.
if I get in the end of February or March?
Oh, okay. So let me do one thing, like, let me give your information to Vadim because he is the
Okay.
concerned person who is going to talk about on this. But
Okay.
as we know that as per the school policy, the
Mhm.
deadline is already over to apply for
Yes.
the CPT. So, but
Yes.
like, let me check how can we help you on this. So I will going to pass your information to Vadim and ask him to call you back and you can talk to him. So let's do how we can help you on that. Okay.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you, Zana. Thank you
Yep.
for asking
Stay
questions.
safe.
Yep.
Bye.
Yeah. So do you guys have any questions? So like uh and I have like Mamoon with me. So Mamoon will have some words for you guys. So yeah.
Hey everyone, thanks for attending the big interview. My last closing words will be that please use this resource, the big interview. I personally like it. It's has tons of resources. It can help you create resume. It can help you mock interviews, record your interviews while you're there, and we on our end can look at how you did in the interview. So you treat it like it's an actual interview, and then see yourself how you did in the interview. Is your answer, could you have answered it better? So it's a good practice tool. Please use it. And of course, call us anytime if you have a question. Send us your resumes. Send it to me. Send it to Amit.
Mhm.
We will look at it. We will give you feedback. Before you go to interview, please let us know. Okay. Check with us and we will do some mock interviews with you. We will prepare you for the interviews, look at the job and give you some feedback. If we need to get somebody else involved, like if you're going for an IT job interview, we can involve some IT faculty. If you're going for an accounting job interview, we have the resources. We can use these resources to help you prepare better for the interview. Okay, but please use this the big interview software, the system. I personally like it. Use it and let us know what do you guys think about it. Okay.
Guys,
So thank you.
I have a quick question if you don't mind
Sure,
before
sure.
you go.
Yes, yes. Go ahead, please.
Okay, it's Bima here. Um, so, um, do you have like kind of live support if my like interview like is going good as I mean as a more language wise or for resume, lots of mistakes come from that incorrect language input. So would
Um,
we have that support? I mean, I found my
yes.
resume horrible in some years back when I read
Mhm.
now, but I still find some like the language is not like perfect, like as for the grammar wise and as well as the proper using the proper words wise as well.
Okay. So why don't you go ahead and send me your resume, send it to me at CC Amit, and what we can do is we can schedule a mock interview virtually. So we can do interview for 10-15 minutes. That will be like a actual interview, like you're going for a job interview. Prepare for that, and then we'll give you feedback. How is that?
Sounds good. Thank you.
Sure.
Will do.
Okay. Anyone else? Any question? Okay, you guys probably know this, and Amit probably mentioned that the free that we offer them, the DevOps, and for especially for IT students, we with People in Tech, we do offer, in collaboration with People in Tech, free certificate for DevOps, right, and AWS. So please take advantage of that. It costs around $5,000, but for IGU students, it's free. So this one, I think it started last week. Is it too late, Amit, to sign for that, or is it they have to wait for the next batch? Because they cover a lot. Okay. Okay, so do apply for it. It's on our website. If we think that it's too late, you can always sign up for the next batch. But take advantage of that, especially IT students, because hey, it's $5,000. It's for IGU students. We don't charge them anything, and it has immense value when you look for a job. Okay, so please do that. All right, guys, if you don't have any question, thank you so much, and reach out to us. Use the big interview resource, and good luck. Okay, and stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone, and have a good day. And just like email me, Mamoon, if you have any questions, any concerns, we are here to help you guys. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Amit.
Thank you, Tariq.
Thank you, everyone.